how options trading makes more money than trading stocks. First, an increase in a stock price of 5% won't make you rich, but that same 5% would result in a 30% to 50% increase in the option price. Second, you don't have to pick option winners. You can make money whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. Third, there is no stress or surprises. Your profit or loss is calculated before opening an option trade. And finally, if a stock just cruises along sideways on the same path, you can still make money monthly. If the idea of learning options trading to make money, to be your own boss, working from home sounds too good to